to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Hi guys, so welcome back sa ating channel. So today guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jan Japan Tagum branch. So kasama natin si Brother Merwais.
Hello, good afternoon to all Dark Channel viewers. Welcome to Jan Japan Tagum. We are selling all kinds of multi-cabs and trucks, surplus, security, assist converted, finished products, all available in our Jan Japan Tagum branch. For example, knockdown DA17 3-layer low roof, 3-layer high roof, DA17 wagon, DA17 van captain seat, DA17 van ordinary seat, smiley type, all kinds of units available in our Jan Japan Tagum branch. You can visit to us and take the good units in the very best prices. To specially prices we are giving to all the Dark Channel viewers, the best prices for all the units. For the low budget units, like for example 200k only, 190, the ordinary van. Also fully finished setup, loaded naman all, upholstery, mugs, stereo, Android, all fully finished. For the low budget also we have like a 190 fully finished gas and go unit, 200, 210, like that. Automatic 4x2 3-layer high roof, fully finished setup. The price of this one is only we giving to you 270, 280 in very fully finished, all loaded setup. Starting price from 270, 280, depends on the unit condition what you need. We also have more than lower than this the price. Automatic 4x2, light brown color. We also have finished products in our Jan Japan Tagum branch. Gas and go units made to order, all kinds of available. This is the quality of our units. You can see that all fully VIP setup, all in very good materials we are using in finished product. Loaded unit, that is the quality, high quality materials, and Sul paint, leather, German leather, and very special prices to all our Dark Channel viewers, which is who want to take the good units. Just contact to us for the finished product, even made to order, or gas and go units, all we have in a very affordable prices. Also we are selling all kinds of the trucks, assist converted, finish made to order, knockdown in very affordable prices, like close ban, freezer ban, drop side, canter, all available in our Jan Japan Tagum branch in very affordable prices. We also selling all kinds of Japan used tires, truck tires, the multi-cab, all sizes available in our Jan Japan Tagum branch. Also 13 size, 12 size, 14 size, all sizes available. Snow, Riddle, both available in our branch. Also we selling the truck tire in very affordable prices, all sizes also available. You can visit us also to check our tire condition is very good condition, not very used. this is our finish area now for the painting. That is painting area. That unit is already finished. You can also make to order. You can choose your own colors. Our color is the best high materials we are using, Ansal urethane original color. You can make made to order any color you can choose. This is also we are using the VIP plus 3 in that unit. I will also show you the conversion area. Now this is our conversion area. You can also convert your unit as is converted units. All we are using baki. We are not using any rocking something. We are using 2 baki in all multi-cabs. We will mention our number, contact number and address in the screen. Jan Japan Tagum, in front of the Robinson Pan Philippine Highway. That is our address. We will also add the contact number 0969 352 5900. That is the smart. You can contact us and visit our branch Jan Japan Tagum and take the best prices for all kinds of units. Made to order, finished product, knockdown, security, assist, converted. We giving the lowest prices to all guys.
Sa mga naghahanap ng Suzuki Jimny, so mayroong isa dito guys available, manual transmission 4x2 Suzuki Jimny. So CKD units. Yan. So pakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Ito po ang kanyang itsura sa loob. So completely knocked down. Hindi pa siya converted guys. Maganda po ang kanyang guys, loob. So malinis pa ang kanyang loob. So sa likod naman, ayan po ang kanyang likod. At ang kanyang ceiling, yan po ang kanyang ceiling. So manual transmission 4x2. So completely knocked down. Hindi pa siya converted. So dito naman sa likod, ayan po ang kanyang likod. Yan. So ang price po nito guys, knockdown is nasa 120 to 125,000 pesos. So kung gusto nyo makatipid, so pwede kayong bumili ng mga knockdown units dito, tapos ipapakonvert ninyo. So kaya lang guys, itong Suzuki Jimny, so wala siyang registration dito sa Pilipinas. So kung kayo naman ay naghahanap ng mga minivan, so meron sila ditong mga latest minivan. Merong high roof, merong low roof. So ito guys, ito ang latest minivan. Check natin. So itong unit ay automatic 4x2. So push start na po ito. Check natin sa kabila. Yan. So itong unit guys ay TE17W. So push start na siya. Tapos power window, power mirror. So dito naman sa likod is captain seat. Yan. So captain seat, ang kanyang ceiling is yan po ang kanyang ceiling guys. Meron din isa dito. So D17W. So ang price po nito guys sa knockdown units is medyo mahal pa talaga siya. So ang starting price nito is nasa 250 to 260,000. So knockdown units only. So yun guys, so meron din tayong D17B. Yan. So itong unit ay manual. Yan. So itong mga pinapakita ko guys is mga knockdown unit or completely knockdown. So hindi pa siya converted, wala pa siyang registration. So kailangan pa itong ipa-convert at iparehistro dito sa Pilipinas. Yan. So meron ditong Nissan van, meron silang Smiley. So ang pinakamura nito guys, so meron sila ditong minivan na 60,000. So mga Atray. So itong mga ordinary van, so pwede nating bilihin ng 80,000 to 95,000 yung mga ordinary van. So ito namang mga Smiley dito. So ang knockdown ng Smiley is nasa 160,000 pesos. Ayan guys, marami silang mga available unit dito guys na mga minivan. So visit lang kayo dito sa Jan Japan Tagum branches. So marami din dito mga Suzuki palit guys. So dito banda. Pero itong mga unit na ito ay sold na. So meron sila ditong Nissan Rocks. Ito po ating unit guys. Ito po ang ating napa-reserve na unit. So Nissan Rocks double slide with turbo po ito. So all power na po. So push start, tapos power window, power mirror, tapos double slide dito guys. So ito guys, so maganda pa ang kanyang upuan guys. So naka captain seat na po ito. Yan. So check natin dito sa likod. So dito guys, so ito po ang kanyang likod. So maliit lang po ang kanyang space dito. So meron siya dito lagayan ng mga toolbox. Yan. So itong upuan guys, pwede naman siyang i-down para malaki ang kanyang space. So yan po ang kagandahan ng Nissan Rocks. Kasya dito ang ano guys, Mio. So pag slanting lang siya, so kasya dito ang isang motor na Mio pag naka-fold ang kanyang upuan sa likod. So pwede din itong tulugan dito sa mga palet at saka mga Nissan Rocks. So dito pwede siyang tulugan pag naka-fold na itong upuan. Ayan. So sa mga gustong umorder nito guys, so pwede kayong mag-order nito. So PM lang kayo sa ating Facebook page. Ayan guys, so ito po ang kanilang mga unit dito sa Jan Japan Tagum branch. So meron din sila ditong mga pick up multi-cab. Meron ditong manual 4x4. Ito. So ang presyo nito ay kagaya lang ng mga minivan. So ang starting price nito is nasa 125 to 160. Itong mga unit na ito guys. Itong mga latest van pick up. So ito. So starting price nito is nasa 165,000 pesos. Ayan. Ito naman guys, mga Atray. So ang starting price nito is nasa 60,000 itong mga unit na ito. So at try, itong unit ay automatic 4x2. So starting price nasa 60,000 pesos. So ito guys, so at try. So yan po ang kanyang loob.
This is our finished products. The best quality work, the best quality materials, and also the best prices in all the market. Is Jan Japan is the lowest market prices in all the now. This is the DS17 automatic 4x2 power window, power mirror, fully finished setup. VIP plus 3. The color is, this one is mica orange. All fully loaded setup. Shrinkaber, back camera, stereo, fully loaded upholstery. The VIP mugs, brand new wheel nut, brand new battery, change oil. We selling all kinds of finished product in the best quality work. Also we guaranteed the unit is valid, can give you the 1 week guarantee per the unit. This one is only 270 to 260. Fully VIP setup finish. We also have 240, 230, 250. Depends on the unit, the condition, how the way you want to make the units. We can include all dimension, all the materials.
So dito guys, so meron silang mga gas and go unit dito. So, mga minivan. So itong unit guys ay ordinary minivan. So 4x2 automatic. So ito po ang kanyang itsura guys sa loob at saka ang kanyang ceiling. So dito naman guys, yan, so street seat. So meron siya kasama dito ng dalawang extra seat sa likod. So ang mga ganitong unit guys, so starting price nito is nasa 190,000 to 200,000. Yan. Yan po ang loob guys. Ito sa likod. So ordinary van. So hindi po ito power window. So kaling-kaling pa lang po ito. So dito, so hindi siya power window. So goods na goods ito pang ano, pang pamilya. Kung kayo po ay nagtitipid, so okay na itong unit. So ang kanyang mags is original Japan. Ayan guys. So kung gusto niyo naman ng mga Smiley edition, so itong unit guys ay Smiley 4x2 automatic. So gas and go unit. So yan po ang kanyang loob. So Android stereo with backing camera. So with ano na siya, captain seat with VIP seat cover. Kanyang ceiling, ganyan po ang kanyang ceiling. So very gwapo. Ito naman sa likod, ito po ang kanyang likod. So low roof po ito, Smiley low roof. Ayan. So original Japan Max. So power window. Ayan. So ang price po nito guys is nasa 260 to 270. Ayan. So meron din dito. Ayan guys. So itong unit ay Smiley. Ayan po. So high rope po ito, Smiley high rope. So 4x2. So power window. Yan. So meron siyang packet ito guys, oh. Yan. So sa likod, so yan po ang kanyang tsura sa likod. Ang ceiling naman ay yan po. So starting price 270 to 280. Maganda po ang kanyang mags. Yan. So dito naman meron silang mga ano guys, pick up. Yan. Saka itong van, meron din sila dito ano guys, van. Yan. So ang price po nito guys is nasa 260,000. Ayan. So meron din sila ditong available guys na Wagon R. So itong unit ay 4x2 automatic. So RO6 na po ito, matipid na po ito sa gas. So ito po ang kanyang loob guys. So maganda po ang kanyang interior design dito sa loob. So ang kanyang upuan guys, so captain seat na po. So maganda po ang kanyang upuan, kahit as is lang siya, pwede naman itong palabhan lang. Tapos ang kanyang ceiling, so malinis pa ang kanyang ceiling guys. So ang price po nito, ang mga knockdown is nasa 125 to 130,000. Ayan. Ayan po ang unit guys. So all power na po ito. So nasa harap na po ang kanyang engine. Nandito na po ang kanyang engine, same ng Suzuki Palit at saka Nissan Rocks. Ayan guys. Ito meron ding Nissan Rocks. Ayan. So visit lang kayo dito guys, or tawagan ninyo ang contact number ng Jan Japan Tagum branch. So yan lang po guys. So maraming salamat sa panonood. So see you sa next episode.
Shout out ko sa mga kaila diri sa Cross Day. Nanaday ko diri sa Dirt TV. Shout out sa Dirt TV.